Hello warriors, welcome to Army Coaching Online. Today we discuss set number 7 of General Science. In this video we discuss 15 questions. Let's start. Question 1. Heat required to convert 1 gram of ice at 0 degrees Celsius into steam at 100 degrees Celsius is dash 1 calorie, 100 calorie, 0.01 calorie, 716 calorie. Heat required to convert 1 gram of ice at 0 degrees Celsius into steam at 100 degrees Celsius. We know that at 0 degrees Celsius water is ice. At 0 degrees Celsius water is ice. And at 0 degrees Celsius, water is fully boiled and then evaporate. And it means its evaporation started. Evaporate. So that when we convert ice into steam, the energy required is what? And that is 716 calorie. 716 calorie energy is required to convert or heat. 716 calorie energy or heat required to convert 1 gram of ice at 0 degrees Celsius into steam at 100 degrees Celsius. Next. Question 2. Vanilla is obtained from dash rose, orchid, poppy, jasmine. Vanilla is a flavor derivation. It's obtained from orchid. It's called Mexican orchid. Option B. Question 3. The first metal discovered by primitive man was dash iron, lead, copper, bronze. Primitive man means the Stone Age people, the Cave Age people, or the ancient people. That people or those people first discovered which metal, and the right answer is copper. Option C, copper. The first metal discovered by primitive man was copper. Next. Question 4. Dash is beneficial to crop fields, weeds, earthworms, both A and B, none of these. Weeds, it's actually harm the crop field. Earthworms, we earlier know that earthworms is very important for crop fields. It's fertilized the crop field. So dash is beneficial to crop field and the right answer is earthworms. Earthworms is beneficial to crop field. Next. Question 5. Dash is synthetic fertilizer. Synthetic fertilizer means the fertilizer which is prepared in the laboratory through artificial way. That is urea, humus, compost or none. And the right answer is urea. Urea is a synthetic fertilizer. Humus, compost, these are natural and prepared by organically. Next. Question 6. In electroplating, the metal to be deposited is made cathode, anode, electrolyte, none of these. In electroplating, the metal to be deposited is made, answer is anode. Option B. Electroplating is a process in which electric current is used, and it is a process in which a metal dissolved in the solution and it's layered a thin plate on a objects, or very simple words, in electroplating process electric current is used, and in this process a metal or an object electroplating with a metal so that that object does not corrodes. Next, question 7. Dash is noble metal: gold, copper, iron, aluminum. Noble metal. Noble metal means the metal that does not corrode or that does not resist chemical reaction. Also, it does not attacked by acid, that called noble metal. And there are 9 types of noble metals: silver, gold, platinum, rhodium, ruthenium, etc. And here option gold, copper, iron, aluminum. Dash is noble metal, and the right answer is gold. Gold is noble metal. Next, question 8. Dash is very reactive and kept in kerosene: potassium, sodium, iodine, bromine. And the right answer is sodium. Na. Sodium is very reactive and kept in kerosene. Question 9. Rich source of iodine is dash: brown algae, red algae, green algae, none of these. Rich source of iodine is brown algae. Option A is correct answer. Question 10. Dash is non-living renewable resources: apple, milk, solar energy, none. Non-living, it means they have no life. Renewable, renewable, it's a cycle. Renewable, renewable, it's a cycle. Renewable. Dash is non-living renewable resources, and the right answer is solar energy. Solar energy is a non-living renewable resource. Question 11. Kelp is dash: brown algae, red algae, green algae, none of these. Kelp is brown algae. Next, question 12. Atmospheric oxygen is renewed by dash: evaporation, respiration, photosynthesis, oxidation. एटमॉस्फेरिक ऑक्सीजन, जो एटमॉस्फेयर में जो ऑक्सीजन होता है वो किस तरह रिन्यूड होता है? जैसे कि रिन्यूड मतलब कैसे? ऑक्सीजन होता है जो एनिमल्स, ह्यूमंस, अनदर एनिमल्स, दे कंज्यूम ऑक्सीजन, then they release or produce carbon dioxide. Then how can the carbon dioxide convert into oxygen once again? We know that in photosynthesis, under the sunlight, in green leaves, water and carbon dioxide together chemically reacted, and then they produce oxygen and water plus carbon dioxide, then they produce oxygen and energy or glucose C6H12O6 for the trees. So in this process we get oxygen. Atmospheric oxygen is renewed by photosynthesis, and the right answer is option C. Next, question 13. When sodium reacts with cold water, it forms sodium hydroxide and hydrogen, sodium hydroxide and oxygen, sodium hydroxide and CO2. It means carbon dioxide. When sodium reacts with cold water, sodium Na plus cold water means H2O. Then what it produced? It produced sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. Sodium hydroxide NaOH. Sodium hydroxide plus H2. NaOH 2 NaOH plus H2. Sodium hydroxide plus NaOH NaOH plus H2. Okay. When sodium reacts with cold water, it forms sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. Option A is correct answer. Question 14. Due to heating, dash is not softened. Bakelite, leucite, polystyrene, polythene. Polystyrene, polythene, leucite, all of these are softened due to heating. But bakelite is used for thermal resistant product. So that bakelite do not soften due to heating, and the right answer is bakelite. Question 15. Dash is similar to cotton. Rayon, nylon, terylene, dacron. And the right answer is rayon. Rayon is similar to cotton. Once again, quick revision of these questions. Heat required to convert 1 gram of ice at 0 degrees Celsius into steam at 100 degrees Celsius is dash. And the answer is 716 calorie, 716 calorie. Vanilla is obtained from dash orchid. The first metal discovered by primitive man was dash copper. Dash is beneficial to crop fields, earthworms. Dash is synthetic fertilizer, urea. In electroplating, the metal to be deposited is made anode. Dash is noble metal, gold. Dash is very reactive and kept in kerosene, sodium. Rich source of iodine is dash, brown algae. Dash is non-living renewable resource, apple, milk, solar energy, non-solar energy. Kelp is dash, brown algae, red algae, green algae, non-brown algae. Atmospheric oxygen is renewed by photosynthesis. When sodium reacts with cold water, it forms sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. Due to heating, dash is not softened, bakelite. Dash is similar to cotton, rayon. Thank you for watching.